So I got this toner in the mail to replace some of the toner in our printer. Our black toner just went out, so got this to replace it. It says, caution, put the product in room temperature for 2 to 4 hours before use, if once being stored in an environment under 50 degrees. We have no way of knowing if that's true or not, so go ahead and do that. This is what you find. As you can see, I already took the black one out and put it in the printer, but this is what they look like in the box. They are labeled with a sticker by color, so you can easily tell which one is which. They're packaged in this foam here, so they're well packaged, wrapped up in plastic. There's a roller guard on each one, so they should come just fine. Here is our printer. Here's the one that I just recently replaced. Slides in there just like the other ones do. So this is the black cartridge. This is what it looks like once you take it out of the wrapping. Everything works just fine. Thought this was slightly different than the other ones. This handle here actually rotates a little bit. That allows you to slide that into position very easily. But everything else is just like the original manufacturer's product. So let's slide this one in. Push it in. Close it up. This is the Brother MxVol 8900 CDW. That's the printer that we have, although this cartridge might fit in a few other models as well. And as you can tell, since I put this in brand new, that black is completely full. Shouldn't need to replace this for a while. So I just printed this and the black looks perfect. Looks great. Nice, deep, dark black. All the letters are sharp and clear. No ghosting, no artifacts. Just looks good. So these look like really good toner cartridges. They work great. I recommend them.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.